Welcome to a Tech. In this video we will discuss how you can make Facebook ID using mobile phone. So open your Facebook, get started. What's your name? So here type your first name and last name. This name will appear on your Facebook profile. Your friends can see this name. So write first name, second name and press next. So what's your birthday? So select your birthday date. Uh, Set it. Press next. What's your gender? Select your gender. Next, what's your mobile number? Create a password. Next. And your profile ID will be ready. So you can save your login information. Here is the agreement. So terms and conditions, so you can accept. First read and then accept the terms and conditions of Facebook. It may take few seconds. So Facebook will send confirmation to your number. You can select WhatsApp or SMS. So I select SMS. I got the code 77475. So enter it. Now your Facebook profile is ready to use. Here you can add 15 friends to see more posts. So select at least 15 friends. You can select from your contact numbers or you can search on search button. So here is the list of my friends. I can add anyone from this list. You can also upload your profile picture, your cover picture to get connected with your friends. Thanks for watching.